is located in the heart of Western Ghats at a distance of 330 km from Bangalore. It falls under Chikmagalur district, which is also home to the highest peak called Mullayangiri, whereas Kudermukh is the second highest peak.
Morning it's around 6:30 am ಆಗಿದೆ. ನಾವು ಕುದುರೆಮುಖಗೆ ಟ್ರಕ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. It's going to be fun today because 22 kilometers ಟ್ರಕ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಇದೆ ಇವತ್ತು. So yesterday night around 9:30ಗೆ ರೀಚ್ ಆದ್ವಿ. So I couldn't show the house at that time. So let me give a quick tour of this homestay where we are staying.
We are staying in Adventure Homestay, which is surrounded with greenery. Family runs this homestay. It is maintained very well. They have a double occupancy rooms, dorms and also tents. Price was 1,200 per person, including 3 meals for one day. This will vary, depends on the season. Oh wow, neer dosa. This is one of my favorite breakfast. And they're also packing lunch for us, which we need to take along while trekking. Food is so delicious here. It's authentic Karnataka style food which they serve here. You will find many homestays, but it will surely help to stay near to the checkpost. Because while trekking, the first point is the Forest Department checkpost, which is located at the outskirts of Mullodi village.
We're all set for Kudermukh.
Yes. And we are already late.
Yes, we are late by 45 minutes.
Yes.
Yeah, late
But still the Josh is on.
We have to buy tickets here, which is 575 per person. The guide charges is extra, which is 1,000 rupees, and also the jeep charges is around 500. Better to inform homestay while booking, so they will arrange all this in advance. Now they are taking till the base of the trekking, which is around 9 kilometers from the checkpost.
So we just covered around 1 kilometer. Another 10 more kilometers to go. Kudermukh, on top of it there is a rock which has the shape of a horse. That's the name. It's called Kudermukh, which is horse. Kudre means horse. Mukha antandre it's a face.
We have to hike up to 11 kilometers on an inclined terrain and also return the same distance before it gets dark. From here we are climbing uphill. This looks really difficult and the steep is around for 3 kilometers more.
Right now we have crossed 2 hills. ಮತ್ತೆ 2.5 kilometers cover ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. In total 11 kilometers ಇರೋದು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 2.5 kilometers cover ಆಗಿದೆ. And total ಆಗಿ 7 hills ನಾವು ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. When we reach on the top of the hill,
we had to cross through the forests and the hilly terrains. Occasionally we would meet with the streams.
we have successfully completed half trekking. Inna half ಮಾಡದ್ ಬಾಕಿ ಇದೆ. ಇದು ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್.
The Josh. High. Higher than ever.
Hi.
Higher than ever.
कैसा लग रहा है?
मस्त लग रहा है मुझे एकदम. And I feel really nice. It's nice and green. And we are already halfway. And the steep climb was amazing. More to go. And that's where we have to go.
Yeah. And there's a lot of other people also resting here. This would have been so easier, no? Because you have done a lot of other trekking.
No, it's not like that. Like each terrain have their own difficulty level. So that way I wouldn't want to compare. But the most recent one which I felt was like really, which took a toll on me, was Kashmir Great Lakes. So we almost had an incline of 60 to 70 degrees and वो सब like 5 kilometer continuous with no shade. So that was something which I felt was very difficult till now.
Annapurna base camp कैसा था?
Annapurna was nice, lots and lots of steps, and Annapurna is like luxury trekking and camping because you have tea houses everywhere and you get triple cheese pizza on the top. So that is something I really liked about that.
Bear Grylls.
It's like because
Oh.
it's sensitive.
We're enjoying plum cake food.
पार्टी हो रहा है.
And we're having a good time sitting under the tree shade.
वो मेघना है, ये हम तीनों हैं, यहाँ पर plum cake खा रहे हैं.
So we're almost reaching top. So it's getting cold here. ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ತುಂಬ ಬಿಸಿಲಿತ್ತು. But we have to reach top by around at least 1 o'clock. Already 12:35 ಆಗಿದೆ. We started around 7:30, 8 o'clock.
Almost 85% हमने कंप्लीट कर लिया है ट्रैकिंग करके. अभी कुछ दूर और बाकी है. जो वहाँ पिक दिख रहा है वहाँ पहुँचना है अभी हम लोगों को.
Finally we reached the top and it is beautiful. Almost clouds ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ಥರ ಇದೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 360 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟಾಗಿ ಗ್ರೀನ್ರಿ ಇದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಹಿಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಅಮೇಝಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ರಕ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅನ್ ಅಮೇಝಿಂಗ್ ವ್ಯೂ ವೆನ್ ವಿ ರೀಚ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಟಾಪ್. ವರ್ತ್ ಇಷ್ಟೋ ತನಕನೂ ವಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ರನ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಕ್ಲೈಂಬ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದು. ಯೂಶ್ವಲಿ ಐ ಡೂ ಅ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಟ್ರಕ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ 5 kilometers 6 kilometers ಆ ಥರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 22 kilometer 11 kilometer ಒನ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಸೊ 22 kilometer even I did for the first time. I have not yet completed 22 but of course I will be. ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ 11 kilometer ಮಾಡಿ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಡೂಯಬಲ್. I would say it's a moderate kind of a trekking. ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಟೀಪ್ ಇದೆ, ಲೈಕ್ ಫಾರ್ 500 meters 70 degree kind of steep ಇದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜಬಲ್. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಬಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಡೂಯಬಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಚಿಲ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಕಮ್ ಅಪ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ 2 o'clock now, ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಡೌನ್. ಸೊ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಊಟ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಇವಾಗ ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಗೋನ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲೈಂಬಿಂಗ್ ಡೌನ್.
खाओ
We got puliyogre. At homestay they made puliyogre for us.
पुलियोगरे.
पंकज भाई का प्लेट है, ले लो भाई.
We are going down now. So it took 6 hours to climb up. It's gonna take 3.5-4 hours to climb down now. It's around 4 o'clock. So 6 o'clock hanga ನಾವು ರೀಚ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ನೂ ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. If we get late here, the snakes and all will be there. That's what they were saying. Even our guide was saying the same. We reached back. It took 4 hours for us to come back. ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 6 hours ಆಗಿತ್ತು. So return 4 hours ಆಯಿತು. It's around 6:30. Already dark ಆಗಿದೆ. How are you guys feeling? Yeah! And thank you for Abhijit. He's our guide.
Yes, it wouldn't have been possible without him.
It was wonderful experience. Even it was first time for me to truck for 22 kilometers. If I can do it, I think anybody can do it. Let's hear from everyone as well.
It was good. First time did 22 kilometers up and down.
Yeah, even mine was like first time 22 kilometers. I was from morning to evening walking all this. Yeah, first time. It was great. Yeah.
That's amazing experience.
It was an amazing feeling. There were a lot of greens which I liked. And I spotted a bison and a firefly. It was amazing. Bye.
Bye bye.